Hey friends, if your browser is stuck at checking your browser before accessing message, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is an anti-malware scan, and I'll tell you how to do that. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type MRT, hit enter, and this will open the anti-malware removal tool. So click on next, select full scan, select next. It will start scanning and maybe it might find a solution to the malware problem. The next one is to sync date and time. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Sorry, the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. Select date and time, and then we have a lot of options here. Make sure that all of them are checked. Finally click on sync now, and once you get a tick mark, that's done. The next one is to disable proxy. And how will you disable proxy? So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command inetcpl.cpl and hit enter. Now go to the connections window, select LAN settings, make sure that automatically detect settings is checked and use the proxy server is unchecked. The last one is to disable extensions. So let's say that the browser is Microsoft Edge. So all you need to do is click on these three dots at the top right corner, select extensions and manage extensions. If any extension is installed here, then please remove the same. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.